Hi, it's Amy and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a tortoiseshell inspired nail with some of the Urban Graffiti gel polish. I hope you enjoy. So to start we need a palette and I'm going to just use a foam. We're going to take some warm fire, which is a lovely yellow mustard colour. I'll pop some on. I'm going to take some top coat, pop a blob on, and we're going to take a dotting tool and drag some of the mustard into the top coat to make a translucent colour. And I'm going to use a oval gel brush, number 6, load up my brush with the colour we've just made and drag it down the nail. Then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then we're going to take a second coat and then pop that in the lamp again for 30 seconds. So now on a palette we're going to put a little bit of Autumn Charm, which is a nice deep brown, Firewood, just a little bit of a lighter brown colour, and then Serious Black. So with Autumn Charm, we're just going to get a little bit on our brush and we're going to dab on that tacky layer, just some little speckles, like a tortoiseshell. And then pop that in the lamp for me for 30 seconds to cure. And then I'm going to take the mixed warm fire and top coat and go over that again. Now before we cure that, we're going to go in with a little bit of Firewood, just a tiny bit, just to soften that brown up a bit. And then we're going to go, whilst it's still wet, with a bit of Serious Black. And then with the top coat colour, get a last little bit, and whilst it's all still wet, just drag it slightly and pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Firewood, turn my brush very lightly and just drag it over to make it look a bit mucky. Take some of the Autumn Charm and just highlight again. It's a lot of layering. Tiny bit more Serious Black and pop that in the lamp, and then with the Urban Graffiti top coat and then pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then with the Pink Pineapple Cuticle Oil just rehydrate that nail, and there you have it, a tortoiseshell inspired nail. And there you have it, a really easy tortoiseshell inspired nail with some of our gel polishes. Everything that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like and to subscribe to the channel. And please leave a comment below. Bye!